Have you ever wondered why some applications are incredibly easy to modify while others break with the smallest change? And by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it is, but you'll be able to implement it in your own .NET projects. Now, let me explain dependency injection using something we all understand. Imagine you want to open a coffee shop. You have two options. Option 1, the hard way. You decide to build your own coffee machine from scratch. You grow your own coffee beans. You raise your own cows for milk. Now, what happens when your coffee machine breaks? You have to rebuild the entire thing from scratch. Option 2, the smart way. Instead, you work with suppliers. They deliver, or as we say in programming, they inject what you need. A coffee machine supplier, a bean supplier, a milk supplier. Now when your coffee machine breaks, just call a different supplier. This is dependency injection. Your coffee shop is dependent on these supplies, but someone else injects them into your business. You don't create them yourself, they're given to you. Alright, let's see this in actual code. I'm going to show you the wrong way first, the way many beginners write code. Let's say we're building a notification system. First, we have an email sender class. It has one method called sendEmail that takes a message and sends it. Simple enough, right? Now, we create a notification service class. This class needs to send notifications, so it has a private field of type email sender. And here's where the problem starts. In the constructor, we create the email sender using the new keyword. This is like welding a specific engine permanently into a car. Notification service is now stuck with email sender. They're glued together, tightly coupled. What if tomorrow your boss says, we need SMS notifications instead of email? You'd have to completely rewrite the notification service class. You can't just swap out the email sender. This is hard to maintain. Everything is interconnected. Change one thing, and you risk breaking everything. And that's what we're going to learn next. First, we create an interface called iMessageSender. Think of this as a contract, a promise. This contract says, whoever implements me must have a send method that takes a message. That's it, simple contract. Now, email sender class implements this interface. See the colon here, this means email sender is signing the contract. It promises to have a send method. And here's the magic, we can have multiple implementations of the same interface. SM sender also implements iMessageSender. Same contract, different behavior. It sends SMS instead of email. Now, here's where dependency injection comes in. Look at notification service now. Notice something different. We're using the interface type, not a concrete class like email sender. This is key. Instead of creating the dependency inside with new, we receive it as a parameter from outside. So here's the complete picture. One interface, multiple implementations, and a service that accepts any of them through its constructor. At the end, this executes the implementation you have injected. To swap services, you just have to change the injected service to the class. Want to use email? Create notification service and inject an email sender. Look, we're passing it in from outside. Oh, I want SMS instead. Just inject SM sender. Look at that. The notification service code didn't change at all. This is the power of dependency injection. One service, accepting any implementation you need. Beautiful, isn't it? For more modern .NET concepts like this, please subscribe and support the channel.